Sound, we have Pinay Beauty, past the begin, Papaitan, Pleasant Drive, Lady Wants to Know, down on the inside board, then followed by Jaden, Napo, Papato, Buena Fortuna, and Lorquis Tower. Now we have Pleasant Drive, by our line Kanehapa, Lady Wants to Know in second, in between horses, Papaitan, Pinay Beauty alongside board, Jaden, Napo, Papato is racing in fifth, then followed over by Lorquis Tower and Buena Fortuna. And it's still Pleasant Drive, the leader by about 3 lengths. Moving up on the outside now is Pinay Beauty, Jaden, Napo, Papato, Papaitan. As they come down at the last 150, we have Pleasant Drive moving up on the outside now is Jaden, Apo, Papato, Lorquis Tower is down on the inside. It's now Jaden, Apo, Papato, Lorquis Tower, and running the finish line is Lorquis Tower. Jaden, Apo, Papato, Buena Fortuna, then comes Pleasant Drive.
Pangilan Yamada yan? Second choice? Ay, hindi.
Dehado ito.
Hindi